G'day everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Just showing you what we're doing for the next few days. We're doing a beautiful Coolangatta. We're doing a large apartment complex, 4 stories high in some points. The challenge about this one is the whole building's a soft wash, but to do the front side of the building, or the back side you'd probably call it, you can't get access with machinery or the soft wash equipment. So hence the one of the advantages of having a portable soft wash unit. We've rolled this straight off the back of the ute this morning, hooked it up, we're about to get into it. We'll show you the results as we go with the job.